Namaste. Overthinking is a problem that many of us face in everyday life. It is the act of dwelling on particular thought for extended period of time, often leading to the feelings anxiety, worry and stress. Overthinking can manifest itself in many different ways. For some, it may be inability to make a simple decision, while for others it may be constant state of worry and anxiety. It can even lead to physical problems such as fatigue, headache, and stomach problems. The problem with overthinking is that it can prevent us from living in a present moment, and we will fail to enjoy what life has to offer us. Instead, we consumed by our thoughts and worries, and we miss out the beauty of present moment. There are several ways to overcome this overthinking. One of the effective method is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and engaged in the current moment rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about future. It allows us to focus on present moment and aware of our thoughts, emotion without judgment. Another effective method is to challenge negative aspect of situation rather than positive. By challenging these negative thoughts and changing them into positive ones, we can change our perspective and see things in very positive light. Finally, it's very important for us to take care of our physical and mental health. Regular yoga, healthy diet and a sufficient sleep can go long in reducing anxiety and stress. In conclusion, overthinking can be a major problem which can affect all of us. But with the right tools such as a mindfulness, positive thinking and self-care, we can overcome this overthinking problem and start living in a present moment. Please follow me on Instagram, Hariom Pajaka. There you can send private messages. If you have any private questions, send me over there. Comment below if you have any other questions. I will reply you within few hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and connect with me. Namaste.